So, welcome everybody. Welcome to our Zero Fox Given Mondays. And I am one of your hosts, Tina.
I'm Darlene or Bubbles.
I'm Zai.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, and welcome. In our celebration of International Women's Month or Day. So, our connection is quite unstable, if you must know.
Yeah. When you said
So, we
unstable.
are honoring and acknowledging all of the women out there. All of the women out there, hello sa mga nanonood and magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, depende kung saang bansa ka. And today our topic is about ladies take the lead. So yeah, why is our topic ladies take the lead? Because yun nga. Bakit parang naka-pause si Zai on my end?
No, wala. Hindi
Or
nakapos.
it's just me?
No, not. Okay ra. So yeah.
Okay, it's just my end.
Yes. Nakanganga ba ako sa iyong screen? Nawala na. Hello, Ate Tina. Okay, so I think we lost Tina. Where is Tina? Oh, there
She's here. She's there. She's actually okay on my screen. OMG, di ka kadungog. Okay, di ka kadungog. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So, kamusta? Kita sa natin. Okay, yeah. I would like to honor and acknowledge, we would like to honor and acknowledge everyone who is here and everyone who would be watching this in the future. Happy International Women's, is it a day or a month?
March 8th is International Women's Day. March is the Women's Month.
Yay!
So, ganda ni Tina kahit naka-pause. Uy, mag-picture sa ako.
Yes. So, yeah.
Ayan.
Yeah, so the topic was,
Yes, our topic was
women take the lead.
yes, ladies taking the
Ladies
lead.
take the lead.
So yeah, what else is possible? And so sending contributions to Tina's internet connection. So yes, and yeah, ladies taking the lead. So what is it for you? What is it for you, Bubbles? And do we have comments?
No comments. I know we have one comment. It's Tita Garcia Fernando saying Happy Women's Day.
Hello,
Hi, Tita.
Happy Women's Day. So yes, how do you take the lead, Tita? Miss Tita?
Yeah, you can answer the questions by commenting them also, but we will also answer the question. So ako muna, te? Oh my God, where is ate?
Wala man siya.
Okay, so...
Bato.
Bato. Pick! Bato. Pick! Bato. Pick!
Bato. Pick! Ay!
Daog ka ako. So, ako.
Ikaw na.
Sige. Diretso ka nagbato-bato pick. Okay. So what is women? For me, what women ano man ito? The topic was women taking the lead. So para sa ako taking the lead means not kato like previously sa Sugar Babes, my definition also of a Sugar Babe is actually not waiting for anyone and not waiting for anything and anyone, especially myself, which is maojo da akong lesson this past few, siguro I'd say my whole life, pero karon is I am more aware of the instances where I actually wait for myself. I wait for the mood, I wait for, which is crazy, yeah. So now I'm more aware of the instances kasi kaysa una I would blame, kind of blame, or attach my not taking the lead with the circumstances or situations or people. But now I have a better awareness now. Wala joy labot ang ubang tao. It's just me. It's just me really stopping myself. So also ako pong lesson is si ate, she takes the lead on her life. So when I see that, I how do I say this? When I see that, it also I remember this one line from, I think kay Ryan I ata, or somewhere from one of the access facilitators, that um what was that again? Something like um something like when you when I'm not happy with, when I'm not being myself and I see that in someone else, I kind of take that as I wouldn't I how do I say that? We're gonna the energy is heavy. Yeah, that is it. The energy is heavy. And now I realize that uh, uh, kato siya na understanding is very profound in my taking the lead as a woman. Because now I understand that I don't have to make myself wrong when I have those heavy feelings. It's actually just an indicator for me that I'm not doing my truth. So how did we get so lucky? We have indicators that when I'm not happy with someone else's, like when someone else's happiness is heavy, it just means that I'm not ano ba, parang, exploring my capacities or capabilities or possibilities. Oh, ganun. So yeah, that's my taking the lead, and I think I said a lot, and that was a heavy thing, but yeah, that's me. That's me now. Thank you.
Are finally taking the lead in your life.
Yeah.
In your life.
So,
Maggie is celebrating with you, and we have Tina back.
yay! But with no video.
Off cam muna.
So, yes.
What?
Ayan. Nag-Chinese siya. Yes, so she is just a picture for now, but you can hear her sexy voice. So nagbato-bato pic kami ni Darlene.
Yes, I saw it. And you're next, right?
Yes, I'm next. So you're last.
Yeah, I'll be the last.
Yes. FYI guys, ano din, gisalang lang yun yaning Tina. So no, handle the host.
Nadyo ko yung feeling.
Wala tayo siya.
Otik-otik.
So okay na siya.
Evidence na dikit ni Faye.
Joke lang. God.
Thanks, guys. So yes, thank you, Darla. That's wonderful, and sharing it to agree po si Sky, sharing it sa everyone. Do we have millions of yang nag-watch sa ating FB Live? And Maggie is here. We have 5 million?
Yes, we have 5 million.
Okay. Hello to our 5 million viewers. So you can comment your answers. How or what is women taking the lead to you and for you? And Maggie on the background. So I am next. Okay, we can only speak for ourselves. Now, for me, ladies taking the lead. So, yeah, pare-pareho ta, Darl. Pare-pareho ta when it comes to that one, like, kanang when you're not happy with other people's happy, so you gotta check yourself. Where else are you not being you? Yes, and also, kanang not stopping myself na. So really, now I am truly taking the lead now sa aking self. I am also my own sugar daddy, sugar mama. And yeah, like choices, when it comes to choices, because before, mag not siya ka choice though, but when it comes to things na parang I used to also compromise myself in order for other people to to feel at ease around me. So sometimes can I sacrifice. I did not realize that before, but of course, again, we were actually inspired by Tina when it comes to other things, to especially when it comes to empowerment. So yeah, so yes, kana siya. There are also choices that I was so afraid of choosing before, and now I am actually choosing it without even thinking twice. So that is me taking the lead, and one of it is actually taking classes now beyond my budget and buying things beyond my budget. And of course, kana siya, I'm taking the lead. Of course, when it comes to finances, and it's a wonderful thing. And yeah, and you've got to just celebrate your little wins, because every day when you end the day and you realize that you have actually made choices that you're not used to doing, that's actually you taking the lead, you are the leader of your life. And then before this call, what I did was kanang sa book na Joy of Business, and then I stumbled upon the 190th page. Do not let anyone ever stop you. So basta happy si Maggie. So there is ang line doon is ni Simone is everything is possible. The only thing that is stopping you is you. So it's actually related to what you have said earlier, Dar. So yeah, you take the lead, your choice creates. And do not be unapologetically you. There. And I thank you.
Yay!
Is
the host, the main host. Where are you?
I'm here. I'm listening to both of you. It's really fun. It's just that, but if I'm afraid that if I turn on my camera, I disappear.
Don't turn on then.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna turn on my camera. So I'll just be the voice for a change.
You're the voice.
What else is possible? Yes, the voice of consciousness for now. Charot. Pero dili bitaw. I am really happy with all your shares, because I know a lot of women also may have the same may also go through the same thing, because similarly, yeah, I also have the same thing. Like, I'm gonna pick on what Zai where Zai ended, which is the only thing that could stop you is you. And many times we have this like ako before, I always have other reasons for, like, for example, I stop myself because of this one, of this one, of this one. Like, dili ko kay base. I had, and I make a lot of reasons, but actually at the end of the day, it was me who chose to stop. And I just created the reason and justification that it was another thing. It was because of a certain situation, but it's just that I chose to stop. So ladies taking the lead is you moving forward regardless of what shows up in your world, regardless of whether you did it perfectly or not. And sometimes we have this tendency of not moving forward because we want things maybe to be perfect. Like, yeah, in order for me to step up or show up is I have to be perfect and right myself. But when will we ever be perfect? What? Ano, Darl?
Never.
Never, never. We'll never be perfect. And and perfect is a judgment. Yes, what is perfect for me may not be perfect for other people. And so if we base our things, or if we base our choices on perfection, then yeah, we're really stopping ourselves. So actually, this call is an invitation for everyone, whether you're a man or a lady, doesn't matter, because we're just, using the energy of women for today because everybody's celebrating it. But wala lang, kasi para meron lang kaming relevant topic sa world. That is also what we are also going through right now, on a personal and community basis. Charot basis, good. Murag ka nang unsa thesis. Personal na something about you not stopping you, despite of what shows up, and despite of even if nobody will be with you. Like, a lot of people stop themselves. Like, before ako, again, we can only talk about ourselves. Like me, in the past, I stopped myself from creating because I'm waiting for the one. Charot, di ba? Kanang, unyan ako magpa-hawd-hawd, kanang pag na kay partner, oh my God, di ba? It's so sweet and romantic. And that's a fantasy. Charot. So, and that's a fantasy I created, and now I'm not gonna let that fantasy, parang let that fantasy create stuff for me, or like I'm gonna choose because of that fantasy. So, a question for everybody right now: what fantasies do you hold? Do you hold or make real that is actually not creating more of you? So yon. But of course, I'm not gonna do the clearing statement. Just a question to expand you and ask, kung meron ka pa bang mga fantasya na another fantasy is, us thinking that the world's gonna end and we're just waiting for the world to end. That's a fantasy. So, and because we don't know when, and we don't know if we don't know, because that's a created thing. Like, it's a concept and an idea. And are you gonna stop your life because they said the world's gonna end? So that's us ladies, taking the lead, or ladies and gentlemen taking the lead. And let's not wait for another lifetime. Tama, Darlene. Darlene said that before you choose, you're gonna wait for, in the next lifetime, I'm gonna do this. Wala na pong wait next lifetime. What would you like to choose now? Okay, wag na mag-antay sa next lifetime. So now. So yun lang aking mga sabi about ladies taking the lead. And yes, also goes to gentlemen out there. What would it take for you to take the lead and to be the leader of your life? And I think that is what Darlene said, to be the leader of your life, or to lead you, because no one can actually lead you but you, and no one could stop you but you. So kung ano yung mga reasons natin dyan na dahil sa mama ko, dahil sa papa ko, ay wag na, tama na siya, undangon na nato na shes og mga brothers.
Galit na si auntie.
Hindi ako galit, it's just the intensity. So guys, wake up.
Get your bars run. Contact us.
Yes. Oo. Have your bars run so that you could unleash the capacities in you. What capacities and differences are you still hiding? And yeah. And Zai and Darlene are both Access Bars practitioners, and they could contribute also so much with that. And if you would like, book a session. And if you're in Manila, we have Ai Guardiola and Karen Navarro to run your bars for you. So yon. So ano pa ba?
Yes, and maybe I would like to also add, let us be women who empower both men and women alike, and even children. So if you can if you can be this woman who just lower down your barriers and let things be. And yeah, because what if we stop the fight of who's better than who? Women are better than men are better than women. So yeah, lower down your barriers and receive. Yes. Lower down your
The cellphone agrees.
Muntik na din ma-lower down ang aking cellphone. So yes, going back, yeah, we are all better than ourselves. We can actually be better than ourselves. So we're not in a competition. We're not in an issue of who is stronger than who. We are all contributions to the earth. So let's be that. Let's be that.
Yes, and here's a beautiful question from Gary Douglas from Salon des Femmes. So, what would it take to be able to have your feminine side without the necessity of making it a problem with men and other women? Because sometimes we think that by taking ownership of our feminine side, we're like discarding the masculine, which is what Zai is trying to say. So, what would it take to have our feminine side without the necessity of making it a problem for other men and women? So yeah, because it's not. These are just operating, ano yan, ang tawag yan? It's just an operative state of something. It's something that is programmed within us to fight, and what Zai is saying is, what if we lower down our barriers and stop the fight about who's better and, who's the better sex? Because at the end of the day, you have all been all sexes, okay? I mean, in this lifetime, we're just taking the form of women. But I don't know, my previous lifetime, I probably am a man and gay or whatever. So I don't know. I don't know. So, but right now, I'm a woman in the physical form. And again, no one is better than the other. And when we're saying ladies take lead, it's really more of, overcoming the social conditioning that ladies should just, paunahin mo muna yung lalaki, yung ganyan. But what if sabay tayo? Oo, yun siya. Yung take the lead as well, in a way, in this 21st century. Like, yeah. Because also, a lot of men are also exploring their other side as well. So, yeah. So what if it's also, also a time to just take the lead? Ayun.
Darlene, do you have something more?
Be willing to be all energies. I think that's what the ladies and everyone else maybe would consider being all energies that would actually bring contribution to yourself first and then eventually to the world. And how does it get any better than this? So I think that's it from me, and I think that it has a lot of energy that considering that yeah, what else is possible. Yeah, thank you.
So I would also like to add on the comment of Tita Garcia. For me, I'm so grateful to being a single parent. I survived for so many dramas. Ha ha ha. But now no more drama. And I feel strong and so lucky to have you. So what if actually embracing yourself and embracing yourself? What if celebrating you is actually not arrogant, but you're actually allowing other people to step up also and shine, and you're also an inspiration, like, wow, she's doing that, I also like that, and I would also like to do that. And it's not based on like, oh my god, why do I feel this? Is it like parang ano ba to, nainggit, ganyan ganyan? So it's not anymore like that, but it's really more of, or you don't want to step up because you're afraid you might step on other people. So if the intention is not there to step on other people, like imong ginatuyo gyud og hilaon og pababa, because I know there could be some people who could do that because they can do that walay reason, because wala na tagaan og childhood trauma kay trauma. Sa Bisayaan na, oy. Wala na nang kanang kung ano na, oy. Sorry. So,
RC.
TRCB. So, unsa di akong giingon? Trauma man to ko ingon.
Wala lang.
Oh, so, I mean, nakalimot na ko. So, basta mao to kanang, what if you being, great also allows other people to be great themselves, and which is actually a contribution when they see you, wow, Darlene is so shy before, and now Darlene is not shy anymore. So, alam mo yun, and Zai used to just don't want to connect with people, but now Zai is really into connecting, and the greatness of her is showing up. I mean, all of that, and those are actually inspirations. And although we will see people who would be uncomfortable with us because they're not used to us owning our greatness and claiming our greatness, and what would it take for us to just receive from that and not make it wrong if they feel threatened for a bit? Sandali lang yan. And then they will be curious, what are you doing? And they will join you. So, ganun lang yan siya. And yeah, what would it take for you to be comfortable in your own skin without trying to be like other people, but be you? Be the woman that you truly are. Na ikaw bahala kung ano, what would you like to create of yourself? So, yon. So, yeah, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? And with that, of course, this show is sponsored by DXN. And for a while, we haven't been showing our products. What are women-friendly products that we have, Zai, Darlene? So maybe Darlene would like to go first?
Oh, me? Okay. Ang nasa ko karon is Jujube. But actually, wala pa yung stock. This is mom's stocks. But hopefully, mag-restock mo sila. So, this is Jujube. It's a Chinese red dates. And it's yummy with your tea or as a snack instead of a healthier alternative sa snacks. What else is possible? And heavy siya sa stomach. I like it also. Yes. And yeah, what's yours, Ate Christine or Ate Zai?
Like that jujube every morning. I like that jujube every morning when I wake up. So when I wake up, I eat 1 or 2 of it because it helps in in digestive system. It supports our digestive system also. And of course, it makes your skin glow. And dagdagan mo mo kainin ha, pero you apply aloe vera.
Okay guys, lahat edible except sa lotion.
Yes, aloe vera hand and body lotion. So it's actually pure aloe vera. Not really pure. It has, of course, na siya mga sagol, but it's safe to your skin. Yes, and I have been using this since I got pregnant with Maggie. That was way back because it's not mainit sa skin and it's not sticky. It's not icky sa feeling, and it moisturized my whole skin, my whole body. And of course, if you are pregnant, it's also wonderful to apply. Although your doctor may say that you cannot apply lotion, but I did. I always do. Just so hindi mag-crack ang skin and hindi siya magka-stretch marks. So, because your skin needs to be moisturized too. And it's wonderful because it does not have harmful ingredients because, your skin is the largest organ in your body, so feed it with natural food. Okay, so aloe vera hand and body lotion and jujube from Pagwapa. And let's go to Tina.
So tapos na tayo sa loob ng katawan, which is the dates, and sa labas ng katawan, which is your body, which is the lotion, the aloe vera lotion. And now we go to Gem Puri, the face mask. Again, we have this quote and saying, what is good for the body is also good for your skin, or what is good in the inside is also good for the outside. So what is beneficial in your tummy is also beneficial for your skin or face. So this one, ating face mask, has wonderful, awesome ingredients, which is Ganoderma, Of course, hindi mawawala. It's not a DXN product if wala tayong Ganoderma. And it has amethyst. And of course, it has spirulina and ano yun? Microlinic RNA, whatever. Basta, Ganoderma, spirulina, and amethyst mauna yung super main ingredient. And it's on this mask, and it has a high quality sheet that is used for your face, different from the cheaper versions that you can find. Of course, you can still use that. It's just that if you want to, you want to indulge with your skin, this is really one of the indulgence that you could, use. And the benefit is, if you're a DXN member, di ba, nagapagwapa ka na pa jud kay points. I mean, you're earning by making yourself beautiful. Oh my gosh. What else is possible? How does it get any better than this? So if you're a DXN member, we really recommend that you use this or any of the products. Explore and have fun with them. So these are our top 3 for today. So,
Can I add?
Yes, Darl.
The one sa under the sun.
Yes, under the sun. So, yeah.
Miracle na sunblock, and also the CC cream. If you don't know, DXN already has skincare line for sunblock and CC cream, and it's under the Miracle set. What Ate introduced is the Gem Pure Reset. So mask pa lang to, and she has 5 more products from the set that is so awesome because it has truffle and all that. Did we get so lucky? It has truffle. It's so the mushroom that is so expensive, and the Miracle set is actually for hydrating your skin. It's good for teenagers and early 20s. And if you're keen into anti-aging stuff, and then you might consider the Gem Pure Reset. So yeah. And also of course, the sunblock can be used with the Gem Pure Reset. Kasi according to Mrs. Kim, the reason why we have lines on our faces, it's because our face is not hydrated. So inside and out. So that's why we have they call that age lines. I don't know. So yeah, it's one of the point of views of and since we're in a tropical country, it's good to keep our face and skin moisturized with all the products we've introduced. So yeah, so this is possible. Thank you, I've spoken.
So para sa mga maanyag na nawong, gamito nato ang mga DXN products na skincare cosmetic line gikan sa South Korea. Ayan. So, ang pamalit na mo, kanang lingaw ni siya gamiton. And yeah, thank you for watching us tonight, this morning, or whenever you will watch us, no? Kung ganahan mo mag-review sa mga maanyag na nawong, charot, diba? Claiming it, owning it, and choosing it. So, yeah, stay tuned for all of our,
The phases that take the lead.
Yes, the phases that takes the lead. Ayan. So, yes. So, yeah, we hope to see you in most of our classes. And tomorrow, not tomorrow, Wednesday, we have our Get Happy Unicorn call every 3 p.m. Ano pa ba? And of course, if you'd like to join the Crown Ambassador Neng Swelto, we have our Fun-Filled Freedom Nights every 8 p.m. It's a very unique call. So you have to message us if you're joining, because you will be oriented, because ma-shock mo, because it's not the usual training and workshop by other people. Okay, we're not dealing with step 1, step 2 anymore. Step 1 and step 2, maraming free at maraming mura makuha natin outside, so you can learn from that. There's a lot of content in YouTube Academy, but we have a specialized program every Wednesday night. And yes, you need to message us if you're joining. And Thursdays we have 3 p.m. Tea Time Thursdays. Ayan. And ano pa ba?
Sugar Babes.
Sugar Babes every Friday. It's just that last Friday we didn't have any because nag-photoshoot me. And we got so, si Ate Georgie ang tatato mong i-message ay among i-kuan pero nakafoy mi tanan.
So this
Apoy.
weekend this Friday?
Ay, wala. Hindi katong last Friday nga, wala man tayo schedule. So anyway, the Sugar Babes is just open. It's every Friday, 8 p.m., first to third week of the month. And then every Saturdays, you can see us live if you want to touch us.
Touch?
Yes, touch. By touch. You're my all-time lover. Skin to skin. Diba? So, naapay singing. So, if you want to see us on Saturday, we're there. Currently, our space clearing got canceled. So, we'll just be there. And our hippie market is there. If you want to have your bars run, we're also there. We have a lot of our access bars practitioner. And if you're not available on Saturday, book one of our access bars practitioner. Have your bars run, please. Because I know a lot of people nagre-reklamo with the energies right now. It's so intense and all of that thing. And you can see us laughing and ha-ha-ha-ha-ing. And if you want more of that and more ease, despite the intense energies, and just receive all of this wonderful energies and use it to your advantage, have your bars run. Okay? Or do sunya. Keep doing sunya. If you're alone, you cannot come to us, please practice sunya. It's the wonderful gift that you can give yourself. I mean, if sunya is really awesome. And it has been, our go-to, and it's so easy. It's like, it's so easy. Okay, simple 9 to 0. Don't stress yourself with 99 to 0. Wala namang, di man ta pahawday diri, di man ta pa tas anay og utong kung sa uban pa, walay pa tas anay pa kuanay. It's just, are you doing it daily, or whenever you remember it? If dili nimo kaya ang commitment, kay lisod ang commitment for you, kay di gani ka ka-commit sa uyab, so sa pakaya nang sa kuan. But again, what if this is the gift that you can give yourself, your commitment to yourself, in resetting to 0. So hugot-hugot lang tayo gamay kay para makarelate ta sa mga millennials, okay? Di kay ta seryoso. Pwede ra pud seryoso. Ha?
What if makarelate gihapon bisag walay
Ay, oo, pwede ka ayo makarelate. Uy, pwede jud tayo.
Okay. Nakatawa ko sa imo still.
Okay, pagyaw-yaw.
Speaking of Sunya, Sunday.
Yes. And we go to Sunya Sundays, 9:30 in the morning. Do Sunya with us. And by the way, sa Saturday, we have Sunya naman. Just tell us. Okay, ayaw pag butterfly, tell us. Tell us.
Tell us Baby boy jokes.
Okay, tell us first. Don't be a caterpillar yet. Okay, tell us if you want to learn Sunya so that I can.
Don't be a butterfly yet.
So, okay. So if you did not get that joke, you're not Bisaya. Okay? So natay ka ng pabor-pabor diri. So, ano pa ba? So yun lang, Saturday. And yeah, if you're, ano pa ba? If you're into business, we have Business Done Different. Wala siya prereq, so I can announce it here. It's gonna be on March 17 to 21 if you want to create more with your business, or which is based on the book of Joy of Business. What would it take for you to do your business differently? And it has so much factor, hindi lang siya business. It's like all areas of your life. This is 17 to 21. Message any of us, Zai or Darlene, or any of the Fox Tribe if you want to join the class. 17 to 21. And our baby Maggie. Ayan, is so pretty. So, one of the ladies. And ano pa ba? If you have taken your access bars and if you want to take it to the next level, we have the foundation on 27 to 30. But I think the time will change. So, yun ang oras lang. There will be a slight change. So, yun lang. And ano pa ba? What are the other... there's a group SOP taster coming of Ryan. It's gonna be... The title is Unbelievable... Oh my God. Okay, wait lang.
Where's the energy? Joke lang.
Unbelievable is
an SOP taster by Access Bars facilitator, Mr. Ryan T. from Malaysia. Truly Asia.
Dahil lang. Mangita, kung kasi mali akong title, nagpataka na po.
I think mauto yung gi-mention kanina. Unbelievable is?
Yeah, unbelievable ease. Oo. Kaya di man gud mo to ang mga tao og dali. Charot lang. So if you're someone who does not believe in ease, and if you're always into hard work, this is a fun group SOP taster for you. So yeah, join us. And yun lang yun. Ano na pa ba mga ibang class? How about Zai?
No classes no classes to announce. But if you are someone who is interested in sharing your business, your ideas, or whatever it is that you'd like to share with the Fox Tribe, our Tea Time Thursday is actually open. So if you have anything to share or whatever it is that you'd like to talk about under the sun, whether you're a DXN member or not, but of course we also prefer DXN members. So you can join. Yes, you can join us on Tea Time Thursday. And if you are someone who is also open for flexibilities, oh my God, nag-default ko ng cellphone. So yes, our Fox Score is open every month, once a month. So we are inviting you to join us in April. Would it be in April, right?
Yeah.
April? Yes, in April.
Final ng April. Parang, parang, tama ba, Darl?
Yeah.
Final pasok is gonna be on April. And then the next batch is?
After 4 months.
Yeah, after 4 months. June.
Yes. Okay. So yeah.
Karon pa may nag-meeting August. August na po ni mag-open. So if you cannot make it on April, we will open on August.
But you can...
It's timely that we announce it for April.
Yeah.
Yes, Darl.
And you can start complying because there are prerequisites like you just need to join us in 5 in different calls that are actually that might actually be a contribution to you. So you just need to complete those within the span of from April until August. Kasi on August, we'll be picking our playmates. What else is possible? So how awesome is that? I'm so excited for all of you and also for me and for everyone else. So I feel na magka-TikTok na tayong lahat. So
don't worry guys, I'm not gonna require.
Joke lang. If it's fun and light for you, just ask us any questions with regards to how to become part of the Fox Tribe core.
Yes, and we would love to have you. It's just that meron lang tayong mga certain prerequisites for you to understand how our team works or how does it, because but of course, if you're joining our cause, you're already considered part of the Fox Tribe. If you're already a Fox Tribe, the Foxability score is just a different level of commitment. It's like we're there for each other talaga. Hindi yung here today, gone tomorrow. Although there are times that some of us, are here today, gone tomorrow, but we don't make you wrong for that. And we have like requirements also that we check on each other. It's, diba, they said that the people you are with or who you're creating with really also contributes to whatever it is that you're creating for your own life. Hindi silang nag-create ng buhay mo, but they can be a contribution. So that's what we are creating in the Fox Tribe. Like while you're creating yourself, we are there together. You have people, if you like to have people around you, nandyan kami. And if you don't like us to be near you also, we also know when you need space. We're not the clingy na kanang huy unsa man na okay lang kadira, wala dili mi mag-ana kanang kung mag-space ka di okay, nag-space siya, wala man siya nangayong tabang sa ana. So okay, ana. But if you ask us for contribution, then we'll be there. Okay? So ang contribution dili ni siya amot ha. So yun lang. Thank you for joining us tonight. Thank you, Darlene and Zai, for really elaborating the ladies take the lead and for giving out and being vulnerable and authentic enough to share your own story of how you got to where you are right now. And yeah, let's keep choosing more of us together as we co-create a wonderful and different possibility for the earth, and calling all the humanoids and the X-Men who are still sleeping. We are here, and yeah, join us and see you.
Yes.
I see you. I am Tina.
I'm Darlene or Bubbles.
And I am Zai, Mama Zai.
Bye.
Yeah.